Hello everyone and welcome to PE Academy. So in this video tutorial we're going to be looking at the concept of H parameter. So this is a continuation to the lecture series on two-port network. So we've looked at Z parameter, we've looked at Y parameter, and now let's look at the H parameter. Alright, so if you are new to this channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. And if you missed the previous ones, that's the Z parameter, the Y parameter, and the ABCD parameter, kindly check the playlist on two-port network and then you find the links to those videos. Alright, so now let's get into this H parameter. So now to start with, let's start with a circuit diagram or just a schematic diagram for H parameter. So this is the output and here we have the input. So this is the V1 and this is the V2. The current in this direction I2 and current in this direction we give it as I1. Okay, so let's indicate the polarity. This is our positive terminal negative, this is our positive, and this is our negative. Alright, so now let's take note that our I1 and V2, so they are independent, and then why our V1 and I2 are dependent. Okay, alright, so if you are to put this now in so let's write out the equation for the H parameter. So that means our V1, we have it as V1 is equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. So let's take this as our equation 1. And then we also have it as I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. So this is our equation 2. So just the same way where we are doing the other parameters, so we can also do something to equation 1 and equation 2. So if you take from our equation 1, so let's say from equation 1, maybe when or let's V2 is equals to 0. So what happens when V2 is equals to 0? So that means what we are having here will definitely be 0, so we'll be left with just this. So what would that give us? So that means we are going to be having H11 is equals to V1 over I1. Exactly. So that is when V2 is equals to 0. Are we good? And we can also have it as this.